Today we will discuss the TH sound. The secret lies not just in the tongue's position, but also in how we use our breath and voice. Let's break it down. First, the unvoiced TH, found in words like think or thought. It's all about a gentle breath. Here's a simple trick. Lightly bite on your tongue just a bit and push the air out. Th, th. The sound is created by the air dancing over your tongue and through your teeth. Th, like this. It's a whispery sound made without using your vocal cords. Now, let's shift to the TH sound, which you'll hear in words like this or that. The setup is pretty much the same. Tongue position lightly between the teeth. But this time, engage your vocal cords. It's like adding a little hum. Feel the vibration in your throat. That's your voice turning the whisper into a voiced sound. A cool way to test this is by placing your hand on your throat. When you say think, you shouldn't feel much. But when you say this, you'll feel a buzz, a vibration. That's the difference between pushing the air out and bringing your voice into play. Let's practice switching between the two. Say think and this. Notice how one is just air and the other uses your voice. Let's try another. Think about this, then try that. Feel the difference? One's a whisper and the other's a hum sound. Let's do one more. This time, a tongue twister. 33 thirsty thieves thought that they thanked the other 33 thieves throughout Thursday. I know it's a mouthful, but it's a fantastic way to get comfortable with the TH sound. Remember, mastering the TH sound takes patience and practice. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't come naturally at first. Keep practicing these tips and you'll be amazed at your progress. If you want more tips and tricks to level up your English, jump over to my website and join my language adventure. Together, we'll explore the wonders of English and beyond. See you there.